Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook page permanently or deactivate it. Before that, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more tutorials. First, open up Facebook app. Then go to menu on the right bottom of your screen. Once you open the menu, you can see a few shortcuts. Click on Pages to open up your pages list that you have managed. Then, hit on the pages that you want to delete permanently or deactivate it. It will redirect to your page. Then, go back to menu on the right bottom corner on your screen. Then, scroll down to the Settings and Privacy. Click on the drop-down and choose Settings. At here, it will display like this and you can see page settings for your page. Click on it. On the Search Settings tab, just type Delete on the tab. It will display Delete your page and information. All you need to do, click on this Delete Page and Information. Here, you have two options. You can deactivate your page if you want to take a break from Facebook. Otherwise, you can just delete your page permanently. However, if you decide to delete your Facebook page, you won't be able to retrieve the content or information that you have shared on Facebook. Everything will be deleted, including all your message and your messenger. If you already decide to choose one, click Continue. Enter your password. You can choose the reason here and then just click Continue. In this page, you are allowed to transfer your information before you deactivate into your account. Then, click Continue. Once again, hit on Deactivate page. It is the same process when you choose Delete page. So, that's it, the tutorial on how to deactivate your Facebook page or delete it permanently. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit thumbs up button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop your comments below. Thanks for watching.